Greetings viewers, welcome again, and I'm here. You might see quite a number of ingredients over here, and I want to show you how to make this simple chutney recipe which involves fresh mint leaves, which is a bunch, quarter bunch of cilantro or coriander, green coriander, some sugar and salt, which I'll be adding in later part of the video, some lemon juice, which is about quarter cup. If you like it more sour, you can add more. If not, you can reduce it. And I have chopped ginger of quarter cup and one green chili. And some of you may not like it spicy. So please cut the green chili and remove the seeds. In my previous videos also I have mentioned that. Always, if you don't want your dishes to be spicy, remove the seeds of the pepper and you should be fine. But ginger spice, which is unavoidable, but it's very health benefits, it's very good for your health. And I encourage you to Google up on the benefits of ginger and you'll find amazing answers on it. So let's get begin. Also, without forgetting, I need some water to grind as well. Hello viewers, I'm going to start off with the green chili that I have. I plug out the stem and I'm just going to cut them. Remember to remove the seeds if you're finding it's too hot. And I'm adding the next ingredient is ginger. I repeat, it's quarter cup of ginger, some lemon juice, it's quarter cup. And I repeat, the lemon juice, if you're finding it too sour, reduce it. If you like sour, add more. So I'm going to grind this first and then I will show you. I have finished grinding this part right now and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'll go on with the cilantro. And I'm going to add the mint leaves. Remember, the ratio is 1 bunch of mint leaves, quarter bunch of cilantro. And I'm going to grind this a little bit. Before that, I'm just going to push it down. I'm going to grind this down. I've already pushed this down, so I'm going to grind it. So this is the time now I'm going to add some water and continue grinding. It has to be paused just for a few seconds and push down the leaves so it'll grind it well. I'm adding the stems as well. The reason is it's all health beneficial. Well, our green chutney is kind of ready. So I'm just going to push this down a little bit and just give it one more swing and it should be ready. green chutney is ready. I'm going to pour them into the bowl. And this will last at least approximately a week if you leave it in your fridge. And it goes well with any dishes, chapatis, rotis, pakoras, samosas, even doklas, anything. It is really, really delicious. Hello viewers, and now the final part is adding in the salt and sugar. You'll be wondering why is it brown in color. This is a brown sugar with cane sugar. So I just got them from the Indian grocery store, which is very kind of healthy. So that's why we are using it. So I'm going to add some salt according to your taste. I can't say how much. According to your taste. Like I like less salt, so I'm going to add less. And it's up to you. If you like salty, you can add more, and just mix it about a minute or two. Let the salt get dissolved. And now I'm going to add some sugar. I like my chutneys slightly sweet, so I'm going to add a little extra. Hello viewers, and here is the green chutney that I've prepared. It's a simple way, it goes well with anything, so even your sliced bread also, it doesn't matter, it just goes well, and it's very good for during cold season, especially winter in our cold countries. So enjoy making it and let me know your comments about it. And if you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button with all bell so that you can receive all the notification when we upload a video. And I also wish you that you will share this video, that everybody could benefit from this videos and all that I'm producing. Thank you, and see you in the next episode of video, and have a good one. Best of luck and happy cooking.